Kareem here. Should you buy a tenant-occupied home?
Do you have a real estate question in Ottawa? Just have a coffee with Kareem.
First of all, a tenant-occupied home will almost always be in worse shape than an owner-occupied home. Current owners of the home are also less likely to be aware of any problems affecting the home since they don't live there, and thus they're more likely to end up buying a lemon. Second, if a lease agreement exists between the sellers and the tenants, it will legally remain in effect, even after the closing date. This means you'll have to assume the tenants and you won't be able to live in the home until the lease is over. If the tenants are month to month, you will be allowed to serve them an N12 form if you, a caregiver, or a family member intends to live in the home. You will have to give them 60 days of notice and compensate them with at least 1 month of rent. If your tenants refuse to move, you will have to schedule a hearing with the Landlord and Tenant Board of Ontario. Current wait times are about 6 months long and could even reach a year again. Do you really want to do that? As with anything else in real estate, there's lots to consider. A good team of agents and lawyers will be crucial in going forward. If you'd like to have your questions answered, send me a DM or come have a coffee on me.